Alright folks, time has come. The wheels has finally came off of the car. Once again, these are the 13-inch wheels, factory wheels off the Honda Prelude. And they're finally on the car. Boom. Let's take a look. Check out the side profile. So if you've watched the previous video, these are the Black Racing BR8s. I just mounted the 195/60/14, the Falken Azenis RT615 on it. These are the summer tires. Got a 200 tread wear. So what I did with the wheels is pretty much painted a fresh layer of paint. These are the cast, I believe it's a cast iron. It has like a gunmetal finish to it. I did a little bit of a silver on top, and then I polished up the lid. And it's just the edge of it, and I think it looks great. It's really good. Let's take a look at the side profile. I think these wheels just match the car really well. It's really period correct. The color, the finish, the style. Can't wait to test drive and see how this performs on the road and in the rain. So on this weekend, I am going to do the Breakfast Club Rally, and I just checked the weather this morning. It's going to be raining, so the condition is going to be wet and possibly slippery, but I've never tried these tires before, so I guess I'll find out. Anyways, if you like the video, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. I'll have more content about this car and the rally coming up. I also have a video about the restoration of these wheels and the mounting that will come up as well. So once again, this is the 1984 Honda Prelude. I just mounted the 14x6 Black Racing BR8s on a set of 195/60/14. The Falken Azenis RT615. It's got a 200 tread wear and also a summer rating. These wheels are very light. I believe they're around 8 pounds or less. Coming back to what was originally on this car, these are the 13-inch factory wheels from the Prelude. It's equipped with these 185/70/13, which are very narrow, and these are just Yokohama Touring. We'll see the improvement. Also forgot to mention, I did pick up some lug nuts. These are the Circus Performance lug nuts. These are the factory one. These are the Circus Performance lug nuts from Amazon. They're nothing special. They're just a bit lightweight for steel, I believe. And the length of these are a little bit longer, so it's easier for you to get to them when you mount your tires. And it comes with the key. They're about 35 bucks. And once again, if you enjoy the video, you want to see more content on the Element, the Prelude, and this C70 here, please subscribe, like the video, and comment what your thought is. And if you think these will look good on this car, I personally think it looks great. It's very period correct, and the style is just timeless. All right, thank you for watching.